Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix download failed on WhatsApp. So first thing you're gonna do, try to restarting your phone because it may just be some little problem that can be fixed by just restarting your phone. The second thing you're gonna do, make sure that you updated WhatsApp to the newest version possible, because if you have old version of WhatsApp, it may be just not supported the function of downloading something like media, videos and other stuff. Third thing you're gonna do, go to device settings, search for app management, search for WhatsApp, or you can just find this page by pressing and holding to the WhatsApp application button. Choose info and here choose for stop, go to storage usage and clear cache. Then go to permissions, make sure your permissions all are allowed for WhatsApp, like camera, contacts, locations and other things, especially photos and videos, because if you didn't allow photos and videos for WhatsApp, this WhatsApp thing won't be able to download things to your device, so WhatsApp don't have access to your storage, and so you should allow WhatsApp. But also don't forget to allow everything here, because it also may cause problem. I don't know how, but you should trust me. Then if it still doesn't work, you can just uninstall and install WhatsApp again, but before you do that, just make sure that you backed up your chats. Here, back up, because if you didn't do it, all of your messages will be disappeared. Of course, you don't want to do that, and back up your messages before you uninstall WhatsApp. Or you can just again go to your info and clear all data, and you will log out from your account. So if you do that, it is also like deleting your WhatsApp, but WhatsApp stays. You also need to back up your chats, because if you do that, you will also lose all of your messages. And if it still doesn't work, just go to your WhatsApp and write WhatsApp support. They will always help you, like within 3 hours or so. Don't afraid to do that. They will help you and everything will be fine. So thank you for your attention. I hope this video helped you, and I will see you in the next one.